But before we continue with this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
Introducing our breathtaking 5-bedroom home where you wake up to fresh mountain air and stunning views. Experience the ultimate retreat in style. Lot area is 405 square meter, floor area 308 square meter. Looking for the perfect car storage solution? Meron tayo dito niyan sa ating carport. We have our 4 carport car garage is here to keep your vehicles protected and secure. Again, kasya dito ang 4 na kotse. Madami siyang space for all your cars. It's time na i-upgrade natin yung ating parking. Say goodbye to worries and hello to convenience. Yung service door na yan, connected yan doon sa kitchen. Mamaya titignan natin yan. Pero dito muna tayo sa inyong side garden sa inyong left. At dito naman sa right, meron tayong magandang landscaping. Ayan, sa pag-akyat natin, ang design ng ating flooring are non-slip tiles. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko. Very comfort siya and very safe. So, yung landing area dito, tignan nyo ang paligid. Talagang breathtaking views na talagang magiging speechless and ma-rejuvenate yung senses mo. Nakaka-relax pag andito ka talaga. Mai-in love ka sa place na to. Welcome to your new home with a twist of luxury. I-picture nyo to. Ito yung first balcony nyo. Connected siya sa front door and lanay. Pag lumabas ka dito, pwede mong batiin ang umaga ng cup of coffee or mag-unwind with a glass of wine while taking the picture's view. The possibilities are endless when you have the perfect space to relax and enjoy life. Pwede ka mag-create ng green oasis mo dito kasi ang garden natin ay very spacious. Very inviting ang inyong porch. Tingnan mo ang iyong outdoor space. Stunning ang inyong accent wall. Welcome to your new home. With your spacious and elegant living room, kumpleto siya kasi meron siyang access to a balcony that offers breathtaking scenery views. You will love this cozy space, surrounded by beauty and tranquility. Okay, let's go to your dining room. Very spacious ang inyong dining room. Pwede siya dito ng 8-seater dining table. May enjoy mo talagang meals and conversation. As you embrace the natural beauty, may access ka dito sa front door, yung kaninang pinakita ko sa inyo. And of course, the natural beauty of your lanay. Puntahan naman natin ang inyong powder room. Very stunning ang inyong powder room with mirror lighting. Meron siyang touch of elegance. Yan, nakita mo sa labas, napakahangin kahit hindi ka na mag-aircon dito. Bubuksan mo lang itong mga sliding door. Mahangin na dito sa loob. Tignan mo din yung ceiling. Meron na rin siyang cove lighting. And the provision for chandelier. Welcome to your kitchen. Kung makikita nyo, very spacious din. yung mga cabinets natin dito, it offers the perfect storage solution. Say goodbye sa mga clutter and hello to a beautifully organized kitchen area. So let's make some memories together in this dreamy space. Soft close din ang inyong mga cabinets. This door will lead you to your everyday kitchen. So dito pwede mong madiscover yung joy of cooking kasi ang spacious ng inyong pantry. Perfect for all your storage needs. Welcome to your helper's room. Complete siya with a private toilet and bath. So, hindi na tayo mag-share ng facilities. May enjoy nyo talaga yung inyong own sanctuary. Talaga makaka-relax kayo dito. Then, meron kayong mga sarili-sariling space. Ultimate comfort and convenience. Talagang ang priority namin dito is your comfort. Upgraded talaga ang inyong home with your stunning staircase. Crafted siya with the finest solid wood, sleek glass, and sturdy metals. Kaya naman ang stairs natin, combine siya ng elegance ka talaga sa style and designs ng bahay na to. Again, dito meron tayong provision for chandelier. This is your dreamy family space. But before tayo magpunta dito muna tayo sa master's bedroom. This is your spacious master's bedroom. Meron ka ring access sa balcony and with a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. May experience mo dito ang ultimate comfort and privacy in this luxurious sanctuary. Meron na rin siyang built-in closet. At very relaxing ang inyong magiging view dito sa inyong master's bedroom balcony. Puntahan naman natin ang inyong walk-in closet. Mama-maximize mo yung style and space mo with your walk-in closet solution. Talagang ma-organize yung mga shoes to hanging clothes. Say hello to luxury and functionality. And for your ultimate comfort, indulge in your deluxe toilet and bath. This is your spacious family area and a charming balcony. Dito sa inyong balcony, you can breathe in the fresh air. Sa umaga, soak up the sunlight and magkikreate kayo ng priceless memories with your family. Ang ganda ng view. Mountain view. This is your hallway going to your second bedroom and third bedroom. This is your son's bedroom. Ito yung kanyang personal oasis. Meron din siyang built-in cabinet dito and a private toilet and bath. Marami siyang space dito na kailangan niya para store niya yung belongings niya and may enjoy niya ultimate convenience. Ito yung kanyang paradise that he'll love coming home to. Ito naman yung bedroom for your daughter. Our stylish room, meron na rin siyang built-in cabinet, toilet and bath that will make her feel like a princess. Ibigay mo tong space sa kanya that she deserves and a design that she will love. Ang last na ipapakita ko sa inyo ay ang ating service door from the parking area. This is an uphill lot na pwede nyo i-build ang inyong dream home. Kaya kala mo mukhang third floor kasi pa-uphill yung lot na ito. Sinundan lang natin ang contour ng lote. Our stunning uphill lots, nag-o-offer talaga siya ng breathtaking views and endless possibilities. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start your uphill adventure today. Call me now for a personal tour and let's make her home ownership dreams a reality.